tesendo obila ma kia mashiri banga chich moro pondo kendo wuok e tesendo obila no. Magi timore mana dweche matin banga chich moro bende ma japiny libamba ma Uganda pusore kendo gwenyore molal miru kuok e tesendo obila no bang' kane ondhiye kod amuna ma ok opuodhi. Kaluwore kod komanda mar obila ma Kirinyaga Andrew Naibei, obila moko ne oseore tesendo obila kanyo mondo ochiw arita bang' moko kuom jopiny nyiso chich kendo tang' kod kaka chenro itayo. Achich Filipino Muifi ma jagin 23 kende omaki kaunti ma Nakuru tarik 18 mar abich gani bang' apedha mane okawo thuolo mar la par ng'wen kimedo timne nonro.
It's only about a month ago that he was arrested in the neighboring country. He was brought to court, and then the court ordered that he be placed in the police cells in Kemashiri, pending him taking a plea. But last Friday, we've been told that the suspect escaped. Under circumstances, some of us are not able to understand, because this is a police station, very well guarded. Looking at the cells, they are well grilled, and the area we are told that these persons escaped through suspicious. We understand that the content way of understanding the police systems, how they work. A murder suspect cannot stay in an open area like that one, even without handicaps. Why this person was not handicapped, we still that's a question to be answered. But we still believe what the county commander has said, that very soon he could be apprehended. But some questions are unanswered so far.